Hello, welcome to ABC in Zambian languages. Today you will learn about numbers 1 to 10 in Kaonde. Are you ready? 1, 1,
Comment?
2, 2,
Tubiji.
3, 3,
Tusatu.
4, 4,
Tuna.
5, 5,
Tutano.
6, 6,
Mulenga wabukire rukerukero kabije warangurukire kubamba akwasheko bankambo yanje babarume mu mapoka waipujiramba kambo bikanzu sakuba.
Well done! You just learnt about numbers 1 to 10 in Kaonde. Let's keep learning together. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ABC in Zambian languages. Goodbye.